Assalamu alaikum to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about the English from metric class. Unit number 1, contributions of notable leaders. 1.1 exercise number 7. Exercise number 7 है उन्हें मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख रहा हूँ. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 ना, why was the Caliph Harun Rashid known and respected for? Answer, Caliph Harun Rashid was known and respected for his justice and wisdom. Question number 2, how did the two men brought before the Caliph look like? Answer, one of them was well dressed and appeared to be a well-to-do, respectable citizen, while the other was in rags and seemed to be a beggar. Question number 3, what was the dispute between the rich man and the beggar? The dispute between the rich man and the beggar was over a white beautiful horse. Question number 4, how did the Caliph decide who was the owner of the horse? The Caliph decided the ownership of the horse by asking the rich man and the beggar to touch the horse one by one. Question number 5, on what condition did the Caliph decide to forgive the beggar? Caliph decided to forgive the beggar on the condition that he would beg forgiveness from the rich man. Question number 6, after getting the horse, how did the rich man behave? After getting the horse, the rich man forgave the beggar and gave him handful of gold coins. Exercise number 1.4 to write a short paragraph on pollution and sports. हिते तव्हां paragraph लिखियल आहे हिन जो pollution जे बारे में. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These materials are called pollutants. They can be created by human activity. Pollutants damage the quality of water, air and land. Pollution is a global problem. There are 4 main types of pollution. Number 1, water pollution. Number 2, air pollution. Number 3, soil pollution. Number 4, noise pollution. All kinds of pollution are a result of careless activities by men. So, we should always take care of our earth by preventing the things which cause pollution. We should spread awareness regarding the matter and take steps to create a better place. Question answer पूरा थिया. Exercise number 1.4 खां पोइ last summary lesson जी, the wise Caliph. Caliph Harun Rashid was a very wise and just Caliph. He always tried to know the problems of his own people personally and by himself. One day, when the Caliph was holding his court, a beggar and a respectable person were brought before him. Their dispute was about a beautiful horse. Each claimed the horse as his own. The Caliph directed them to present their case. The rich man pleased that the horse belonged to him. When he was coming to the city, he saw the beggar limping. He took pity on him and gave him a ride because he was lame and could not walk properly. He further stated that the beggar refused to get down when they reached the city gate and claimed that he was the owner of the horse. The beggar denied these things and swore that the horse belonged to him, and it was the rich man who had requested for a ride. The Caliph decided the case very quickly. He ordered both the persons to touch the horse one by one. Accordingly, when the beggar touched the horse, it began to wince, but when the rich man touched it, the horse began to neigh and snort with pleasure. The wise Caliph concluded that the horse belonged to the rich man and the beggar was a liar. The Caliph wanted to punish the beggar severely, but the rich man took pity on him because he was lame. The Caliph forgave the beggar and directed him to beg forgiveness of the rich man. The rich man not only pardoned him but also gave him some money. I hope you will like this video. मूंखे उम्मीद है ये वीडियो तव्हांखे ज़रूरु पसंदि आई हूंदी। हिन वीडियो खे लाइक ऐं शेयर ज़रूरु कंदा ऐं मुंहिंजे यूट्यूब चैनल सर अब्दुल रज़ाक़ भीन अत्तारी खे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूरु कंदा। थैंक्स। इंग्लिश में क्लास 1 टू मैट्रिक ताईं कहिड़े बि टॉपिक ते लेक्चर खपे या ग्रामर जे कंहिं टॉपिक लेक्चर खपे त कमेंट में ज़रूरु लिखंदा।